Hi there, I am back with day 15 of this series, and it's only a 15-day series, so that makes me really sad. It's the last day of my Crochet for Plant Lovers series. So I thought for my last day I would show you my very newest plant. Isn't she so cute? Let me tell you how much she cost. $2.50. She was reduced. She was almost dead. This is tropical plant. Yes, of course it is. It's a peperomia. It's called Napoli Nights. And it's super cute. And I've only got one other peperomia plant. So I'm excited to get to know this little person here. Little person. I called it a person. This little plant here. It's so cute. So I'm just going to show you the last day of some ideas that I saw, and I've called this day 15, Are Those Real? Because when I look at these pictures, they look real to me. They look like real plants. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna open it up with this crochet pattern that I found on Etsy by Happy Patty Crochet. Love the name, Happy Patty. And this is lilacs. And honestly, I had to look twice to realize that this is actually crochet. So this pattern is available for $6.85. It does to me look super intricate, but it is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this. Let me just clear this. There we go. I had a little notification on there and it was really bugging me. Anyway, this crochet lilac pattern is absolutely beautiful. Please let me know if you would have the ambition, energy, skill to make something like this. Absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of the beautiful bouquets of flowers that were crocheted for the Olympics. I'm not sure if you caught that, but they were absolutely beautiful. So I'll try to find a picture and put them up here of those bouquets. They were gorgeous. Okay, the next idea is the crochet prayer plant. This is another plant that I don't have. I did take care of one once for my boss in our office. She had one. So for about 5 years, I took care of a crochet prayer plant. I didn't find it to be too difficult, though I know that some people say they can be kind of drama queens. Not really sure, but this looks exactly like a prayer plant. I mean, to look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is another one by FCF Crochet Flowers. It's $7 pattern, but it is absolutely stunning. Now, part of it has to do with the colors that they chose, but I think the main reason why these are just so gorgeous is because of the teeny tiny yarn thread that they're using. It's a very small, fine weight yarn, or it might be thread, like I said. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this. $7 FCF Crochet Flowers. Okay, and my very last pattern for this series, I love it. I love it because these little guys get a bad rap. I love dandelions. I do. I love them, and I don't think they're weeds at all. I think they're flowers. I think they're flowers that actually aren't native to North America. I think they were actually brought over from Europe and probably to make wine. I'm not sure. But how adorable is this fabartdiy.com pattern? I'm going to open it up so you can see it, but these look so real. Like if you were walking across the room and you saw these, you would think that they were real dandelions. They're absolutely gorgeous and I love them. So let me know what you think of this. This is a free pattern. It is actually, all you have to do is scroll down. It shows you pictures of everything that they used and how they made it. And it does look kind of tricky. I'm not sure it's something that I would, be interested in making myself, but it is absolutely beautiful and I love it. And I'd love to know what you think about dandelions. Do you think they get a bad rap? I personally am not that excited about just a plain green lawn. I like to see those yellow flowers popping up. Okay, everybody, that is going to do it. This is the last video of this 15-day series, Crochet for Plant Lovers. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, as much as Neil did. We all had a great, great time, didn't we, Neil? He's smiling. He's smiling. You just have to trust me. Take my word for it. All right, guys, until the next series, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you keep on hooking and keep on watering. Okay, bye-bye.